If you are new to America, listen up. Coming to America is a blessing, but if you don't move smart, this place will eat you alive. Nobody tells you the truth, so let me keep it real with you. Rule number 1, never co-sign for anyone. Not your cousin, not your best friend, not even your mama, unless you can pay for that whole loan yourself. Because when they stop paying, you are the one the bank comes for. Your good name, your credit, your peace, gone. Protect yourself. Rule number 2, stay away from multiple credit cards, especially in-store credit. They will flash a 10% discount at you, and next thing you know, you are drowning in 29% interest and late fees that kills your dream before you even start. Build your credit slowly and wisely, not by chasing every credit offer. Rule number 3, buy a car you can afford, not one you gotta pray to keep. Forget the flashy ride if the payments are choking you. Buy something reliable, maintain it, and own it. Because if you miss even one payment, America will take it right back and leave you walking. Rule number 4, don't have kids with multiple women. You might love all your kids, but the system don't care. Child support will wreck your paycheck. And even if you are a good father, they will still treat you like the worst. One woman, one family, build solid. Rule number 5, master your anger. People will test you, set you up, call your name, push your buttons to see you crash. Don't give them the satisfaction. Don't take the law into your own hands. It's a losing game. Be smart. Use the law to fight for you, not against you. America is full of opportunities, but it's also full of traps. You can make it, but you gotta move like a boss, not a fool. Nobody is coming to save you. I'm giving you the game for free. Take it or leave it, but don't say nobody warned you.
A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment, and I could get straight into this. Alright, so I have some update. Remember the story I post with the wife? I think the wife come on last week, and I say, oh, our husband I tell lie in the touchy. No, I don't want to lie. The 14-year-old story. You remember, right? I want to say the wife come off aggressive. Anyway, it look like say things don't look good for the guy. Cause now, somebody who introduced him to me did make me aware that he got a custom date for coming, so it look like them are gonna try send him back to Jamaica end of the month. Boy, oh boy. If that are the case, and the person tell me say him break down and cry for you all day, me say him break down and cry. And also, me hear say, like other person I tell him say, him fi try reach our next province and them thing there, but when me and her talk, she say better and just go in and face whatever them saying for face and call it a day. My advice, I would advise him for run. And I don't know why people are giving the advice saying for skip and run come on. It doesn't make any sense. You got undocumented point A, point B, then anything can happen. People know your situation. Boy, brother, may I tell her, it is sad. You know, you say you're innocent and you never do it. And, oh boy, I may tell her, them system is set away, boy, I mean, you know. So, I try to call him since evening, guys, but I not get him. So, I guess him not really want, you know. So, I try to comfort him away and I make him know, say, I try to go, because I'm over there and I try to work and hold up in head. And, you know, sometimes you mix up with the wrong person, you get involved with the wrong girl and things can reach out. Some people meet good people. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to here to slate off everybody. You understand? But I'm sorry, sir, this side. May I be honest, I'm sorry, sir, this side. Because everybody want a chance. Because nobody no want, you know, sometimes the opportunity in there Jamaica and you get the opportunity and at that, everybody a try a thing. You know what I mean? But boy, it's sad. And it look like him not have no money for getting a lawyer for fight him cause set away. When me I look upon me, I wonder if she link immigration and maybe beg them for drop it charges and one thing get deep for come back, or them are going to charge him and I don't know, but he set away. Anyway, alright guys, so yeah, let me try to change the mood little. The brother reached out to me from Canada and him said, listen, he hear a lot of bad story on my channel, but he just want to share his up and down and how he end up finding a nice wife for 9 years now. You know, he said Canada. I could stay at Canada tonight. See? So I'm going to share his story and change the mood of the video. Anyway, I could drive, I could listen.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I said my father in my country from around 2013.
Mm-hmm.
And when my father, I'm coming up on a working program, you see it. So I dip on the working program and I go on and all of the mistreatment then we hear the man I complain about. I see him thing me end up and go through, you see it, and I first time me did a forward too. And me end up and get injured on the work, and the people, them not even the one can't me go to hospital or see no doctor or nothing at all. Them tell me say yo for just hold it out and anything that me have to get bad on them and tell them say yo nah, if I don't can't me go to hospital, me I can't myself disease. So anyway eventually them end up and can't me go to hospital and me injure my back. Injure my back even till this day me still have problem with my back same way, you know. And either way, when me get injured, I tell myself, say, oh, I not do no more work, you know. And I talk to my uncle, me have an uncle who live in Ontario. And I talk to my uncle and the man say, you are going. Nobody go back down, you know, because at the close to the end of the contract. So I say, nobody go back down because if you go down and you end the season injured, then I must call you back. Right? Okay. So I say, all right, forward at my place. So anyway, I have a little cat when I meet while I'm on the program over here. So the cat say, all right, now okay, I got the airport. And we left which part out there and drive 6 hours to go one of my cousin yard in one place named Alberta. And me da my cousin yard now, my phone my uncle and tell my uncle say, yo, me there my cousin now, so I go hold a flight and my uncle tell me say, you are going. Me there at Jamaica right now, me there at Jamaica for a week. So just hold off until me forward back. Then me will make you fly over. And me and one of my brethren jump off of the program at the same time. The man just see me and move with my thing in the middle of the night. And just ask me where me I go. The man they even question me much. The man say, don't left me, you know. So I say, all right then. And then the cat where me I deal with now drive, as we say 6 hours go my cousin place to fly from there. So me not even when know, so me could just fly from which part me they come me and say I first time me there. I don't know if them have link at the airport or whatever, even though my permit ain't up now, nothing at all like that. So anyway, we drive go up there and as I say my uncle tell me say him die yard. So the cat where me I deal with now, we drive me go up there. Say alright, make me go visit one of my sister. She did another 6 hours drive. So me drive with her now, go up there for 6 hours just to go hang out for a few days. And the sister said to me, say no, nobody got Ontario, you know, because we are going to look at Ontario. Everybody over there go probably in the same position like you. So just stand here so, I mean we see me can help you get your work permit, extend over your son thing. And anyway, she say alright, me say alright, then yeah, me I go just bill. Cause at the time she, her husband and her daughter was half Jamaican too, but her husband was a white guy. It's just her daughter. She have her daughter from a previous relationship. So anyway, me go so boom now and me stay there and the girl will drive me go up and now tell me say yo she a go move come up to and we have a start life together. And brother, me dey up there a month and the woman I say alright, she'll get herself together. Brother, the woman only phone me back a week, about a month and a week later, about a month and a half later, and tell me say, boy, she not go bother moving up because she not give up for her work. And when me come to understand, say, boy, me understand because she not know me for a long period of time and she just left her work where she in a few much years and then come and to start a life with a stranger. Me understand that. And me I tell her, say, brother, that kind of shake up my head. And the sister said to me, say, no worry yourself, man. We just have to stick to the plan same way and get a work permit and thing. And brother, she did stay true to her word, brother. She helped me in every way. Me never have to worry about no rent, no food, no nothing at all. And the woman helped me get my work permit and me get a 2-year work permit up there, brother. And I go so boom and say, all right, then go on do my work and go on do my work. And about a year and a half later, the lady say she a go move to British Columbia. She and her family a go move to British Columbia. So me left in a situation now where my 2-year work permit almost up, and now me don't know what me I gotta do because I just them alone me know which part me there, right? So anyway, the sister come back in the picture again now, brother come up there, come visit again now, and this woman boots me up and tell me say, yo, come back a BC because me I go help you get your thing a BC. Don't worry yourself, everything alright. Only to find out that this woman still married. But she and her husband separated a couple years ago. But the woman divorced. So the woman couldn't really help me. I know your brother and me I tell her, say, boy, me there the woman place about 2 months, brother. Bad man. Me no know where go on because me as a youth, me kinda have myself away. Like if me stay away, my woman will stay away too, right? And remember one day me said to her, I said, B, you know, so you can put yourself together a little bit more and them things. Me talk to her in a nice little way, me no rude nor nothing at all. I know some me stay. You understand me? I say me is not a rude youth. And brother, about 2 weeks later, me get a work under the table because me say me still have the work permit, but it's a closed work permit, so me can't really go work for anybody. So me end up on finally go work under the table now, and it's down in the town, but she live on the outskirts of town. And brother, you know, say the woman seekingly find a place and put me, brother, to stay. Me not knowing, say, boy, the woman kick me out under style. You understand me? I say, I kick me out under style, brother. I say, Jesus Christ. I say, all right, anyway. The sister now come and this is a good friend till this day. Nothing funny never happened between me and the sister. Me and her a good friend till this day. And me and her talk and thing, and we are going, you know. And she encouraged me, say, yo, no watch that, man. Everything I go all right and thing. And there, man. I tell her, say, boy, me start worry. Because I say, this woman draw me again. Because even before she come in the picture, we did a plan to move, go back and go my uncle this time. To finally go my uncle this time now. And the woman come back in the picture again. And prevent me from going my uncle. Promise me, they say she go, you know, help me get me thing and all them thing the day me. And me I say, boy, you look away. But anyway, I go so boom and me I walk on the table until one day I go on this dating website. And this woman from out of town, about an hour and a half drive out of town, message me one day, Damien. And you know, we start talk and them thing, then she asked me, first she asked me, you know, where me come from and all them thing that me I make she know, and she say, yo, what my position in the country and anything that me never lie to her because I find out enough man lie to woman about them status in the country, and when the woman get find out nothing no go so, and then the relationship be laugh a lie. So me tell her, say, yo, it's a work permit thing me dep, and I remember in a day me never meet this woman, you know, and the woman talk a couple months well. And the woman said, no worry yourself, man. If things work out good between me I go boss you. You see it. And me never tell this woman, say, I want no boss, not all like that, you know. Because I say, you know, so, I not talk to nobody about no paperwork.
So, so question, how old is the lady here?
At the time, the one of me have now, at the time, me was 26 year old, and she was 33. She was 33. I got 34, right? And
so then, ladies, so, we are talking about them, what? Jamaican, Canadian, or white Canadian?
No, white Canadian them.
Okay, white Canadian. Okay.
Yep, white Canadian them. And as me said, the first one, Damien, never really work out, and me not really have nothing bad to say about her other than she put me out under style. You know what I mean? But she still never make me homeless. So me can't do bash her. She stick I know some of them women kick out the man and don't know which part the man will go. Right? So anyway, go so boom no one. Me meet the lady and no one. Me and her talk online as me see and me say me they are hour and a half from me and me nah no care and nothing at all like that. So me no know if you go link her. And anyway, one day now she messaged me out of the blues because we the kind of talk for a little while. She did do something I no like and we kind of cut her off for a little while. And one day out of the blues, me then in my house, in my bed lay down and me see a message come in. I say, yo, hey, what going on? Where you there? You know, not in a Jamaican, but like in a Canadian. Hey, what's up? How are you? I'm in town. Would you like to meet up and go for a drink or something? I said, this woman message me out of the blues after we not talk for a while, and you know, and I said to her, I said, okay, yeah, man, no problem. We can meet up. And then I tell her, say, me get ready, you know, get ready, jump on a bus, go downtown, only for this woman message me back and tell me, say, boy, she's sorry. She now can't get to make it and them thing. I say, she message me, you know, brother, and tell me, say, she there in town, you know. And we can link up, you know, me go out of my way if you get ready and go downtown to go to meet this woman, you know. Jump and bus and all them sitting there, you know. But anyway, we didn't get to meet up with this stuff. So one day, she messaged me again about a week later, she messaged me again and say, yo, if I want to come visit her, I can. And I say, yo, me not drive. She said, no worry yourself, man. I will buy you a bus ticket. I will buy you a bus ticket and come, you will come down and sit. And I say, then if you come in my town and me get ready and come to meet you, why me I go come out of my way now if I come a year town, which is an hour and a half per way. For you stood me up again. But you know where, brother, me don't know ya, man. Father God said, you will put on your clothes and carry one little backpack on your bag and go on. And me Joe, she buy the bus ticket and everything. So me I say, all right, at least she look like she serious then. So all right, me go down the brother and when me go down the brother and me go in and me I see where the woman live. Me I say, Jesus Christ, no sir. Me can't live here, so. The woman live in one trailer park there, me and me I say, no, this not right, a backside, I know my style this. Is it? Yeah, I remember say, me no start to say, nah, me I go and like say, me a old rich town from, you know, but we are not poor. We not rich from Jamaica, but we not poor at the same time. We have with little thing and you know, we not grow up and exactly. Good life before me reach a foreign. But anyway, I go so woman go in at the place and thing and me I tell her saying the name look good and me and her reason and thing and so now we get to go down in the deep our life and our house. Our house there, me and it burned down about before me and her the talk started the first time. Our house burned down about 6 to 7 months before me and her talk. And when she showed me some picture, she started tear up, man. Cause me and say, yo, the woman did really have our things together, brother. And the place where she did her rent, the man wasn't as you'd say authorized to rent out the place, meaning that he not rent as insurance and everything there. So he should not rent the place in the first place. So when the house burned down, she lose everything there, man. Everything.
Insurance, but you know, you explain.
Yes. Exactly, brother. She lose everything, me G. And me I say when she show me picture them on her place and thing, and me I say, yo, John, really sad, man. And then right there and then, me stop judging her because me say, yo, I know everybody did mean to live so. Some people, they have them life sorted out and bad things just happen, right? And then now, we get to meet her daughter. She have a daughter. Her daughter was 8 years old. Her daughter was 8 years old and the daughter get to love and respect me like a real father. The man and me I tell her, so me treat that little girl very well. And at the same time, too, me did have a daughter where did born 1 year after me come up on the program. And that's why my uncle tell me, say, you don't go back down because you're going to lose the opportunity where you have to provide for your youth the right way. You see it? So, me make the girl me had talked to know all of them or something. So anyway, fast forwarding after me come visit her now and me there her place for board. Because as me say, I work under the table, me that work and thing, and it never really too steady and anything. And she She said, just go and chill out here some man for a little while and have to worry about nothing at all and things like that. I see it and I see it and she was really nice and everything at the man. And with this, me tell her, I say, you are going. If we are going to really live together, we have to find a new place. And remember, I don't really have no money like that, dear man. I have a little money here, save up and everything there. But I don't really have no money if you say, yo, let me go find a big place or anything like that at all, like that. You see it. And she said, all right, no problem, man. We can go look a little apartment, a little 2-bedroom apartment and move out of this place here because she really wants to move. But, you know, when you don't really have nobody to push you and sometimes you lose motivation because you have to start all over again. So we go to boom and I say, all right, we're going to move. And the man, the woman said to me, say, remember me the promise, you know, say, me I go marry you and get the thing in hand. I tell you the honest truth, man. At first, me did kind of say, oh boy, I just meet this woman and now if I go, yes, but me did have the bigger picture in my mind. Anyway, we moved in together, me 2016. And by August 2016, Damien, me and the woman get married. The woman do every single thing for fill out the paperwork and things. She never itch, none at all. She never itch, and me I fill out and she has to make sure you say your daughter there on every paper where you fill out to, you know, to show you how the woman have good intentions in her mind for me, right? So anyway, we fill out the paperwork and do what we have to do and all them things the day, and we get my papers and first get my working permit, and I was so happy. I said, all right, yes, B, no, we can start work and everything. Start work and everything, all right. Then couple more months down the road, I end up and get my permanent residence there, man. And me and this woman there from 2016 till the day, man. I'm not going to tell you, say, everything was rosemary gold from the beginning, because you know, man and woman most go meet and everything there. But this woman never make me feel smart. Me and her make me feel small. Me and her never fight over money, never, not one day yet, no matter how sometimes things might get a little bit sticky. We never ever argue over money. This woman never make me feel small. This woman always have me and my youth in our mind, in our mind, for the best of the both of we. And sometimes this woman I do things to my daughter where me not even know about her. She not even say nothing at all to me. She never do nothing for my daughter and say, yo, she want back the money or nothing at all. She deal with my daughter, same way like how me deal with her daughter. Like I two we build the pity together, dear man. You understand what I say? And I just want to make the man them know, say, yo, brother, I know everybody over here so stay the same way. Sometimes you just have to be real with your woman and just be true, and things will work out fine. So sometimes you hear some man calling for the program and I say, John no star, it really rough on the youth or the girl, and hope it turn out better for them. And me and her there now for 9 years, almost going 10 years now.
Yeah,
close to going 10 years. And exactly. And a day me and my son, me and her finally get a son together.
Oh, you get a son with her. Your son how much now?
Yeah. My son at 2 months old, almost 2 months old now, Damien. Yes, nice. And I have to give thanks to her. So I just want to share my little story, Damien, because everybody over here I will go through headache and heartache when it comes to a relationship. Just be honest with the person you deal with, because of my time, I'm even a listen one what day on your program with the girl, I said this man tell her so she have papers and all them things they went to come to find out him not have nothing at all. You understand? Okay. So sometimes you just have to just be true to yourself and just live life with the partner and just be honest, yeah, man. Just be honest to them, because the more honest you be, the more everything will work out for you. But sometimes we man tend to lie too much on some simple little thing. You understand? Some simple little thing there, man.
But remember, so sometimes I really man I problem, you know. Sometimes some woman them through they know your position, them abuse you mentally and emotionally and try make things rough for you. So
exactly. Because remember so me tell you say I know everything between me and her goes smooth. But sometimes you have to make them woman know say, listen man, where me I come from, me not suffer, you know. And wish for me I go back, me know me not suffer no son, but I feel like you can come take no step on me and try me and try draw me out and them thing there. If you want this thing work out right, you know me not disrespect you, so not disrespect me at all. So my time you have to put on your foot as a man. Cause I say enough for the man them. Me even see one way the girl beat up the man on your program and you have the audio and everything. Them and them thing enough to go on, brother, no make no woman take no step on you. If you have to go back a yard, go on back a yard, brother. Because everybody feel like say once you come a first world country, everything will go alright. You still have to put in the hard work same way. And sometimes it's even harder over here than Jamaica. You see, because you might have work, yes, and you have a car, yes, but sometimes the bills them depend on you. The bills them depend on you. And when you're at Jamaica, you know you live free. If you make 10,000 or 10,000 a fee. You understand? Because most of the people, as we know, a lot of the people that Jamaica don't really pay rent because some of them inherit house from grandmother or mother or whatever. Yeah, I live in a family yard, so you don't have to worry about rent and anything. Yeah, so you have to worry about everything. You see it? So tell the man, not afraid to go back to your yard if you have to go back to your yard, man. You see it? Because
you come back to Jamaica from your family?
Yeah, man, I come back to Jamaica a couple of times from over here, man. Even bring my family down there and everything, man. And, you know, when you come down and meet my family and all them things, even my mother come up last year too, my family, sister and all them things there to see him. Nice. So I try to give her helping and see him in any way I can, you know. Yeah, man.
So which province are they now? BC, said it?
Yeah, man, me da BC same way.
BC, okay. Well, if you're a young man, say how much now? How much now? Is it about?
30, just done 35 now.
35, okay. Oh.
Yeah.
9 years a good time, man, because, you know, some of my man then go through some little thing, but whatever, that is normal, but everybody, as long as everybody have a story, and we have to respect everybody's story, but I'm glad you can shed some light, so there is good woman there over there too. I'm going to get to another, I think I have another story similar to your one, you know. With a guy, meet one lady, said we, and him and her go on good now about 10 years, and them build together and get 2 kids with her, and them go on, you know. So,
yeah, man.
So you go. I want to tell you, big up and if you're a young youth, I love how you all pay, then I go on, you're family oriented, I love that. So I love how you go and work it out and thing, you know. So I wish you and your wife the best. Yeah, wish you and your wife the best going forward. You know?
Yeah, man. See you in general.
Alright, so thanks. You share platform one day in a week. Alright, cool.
Alright, my boss. Bless up yourself.
Bless up, cool, yeah. Alright, guys. Well, same. Fine and good, man. Normally get them from Canada, so, but big up yourself, all the best too now. Yeah, man.
With you. A lot of people come to America thinking that working hard will make them rich. But that's not always true. If you don't work smart, this country will break you. Working 2 jobs just to pay the bills is not the dream. That's not living. That's surviving. You didn't leave your home, your family, and everything that you know to just barely get by. So what do? Simple. Get a skill. If you already have one, try to get it certified. If you don't, start learning one. You can become a CNA, electrician, CDL driver, dental assistant, anything that helps you make more money for your time. If you can go back to school or college, do it, no matter your age. Education opens doors. But if you don't even have a high school diploma or GED, don't give up. Go to the one-stop career center in your city. They can help you get your GED and offer free programs that lead to real jobs. Don't ignore this free help. It's out here. You just have to want it bad enough to.
Tell me what you think about this story, guy. Wow, struggle is real. Life. Anyway, I come live. What is under my nose? I'm out.